If you love s'mores but hate the sticky mess, these bars are for you. Crunchy, chocolatey, and topped with toasted marshmallow, and they slice clean like a bakery bar. Stay with me because the secret is one thin layer that changes everything. Here's what you'll need: golden grahams, graham crumbs, brown sugar, butter, honey, plus a mix of semi-sweet and milk chocolate. For the wow factor, malted milk powder. And for a marshmallow that actually sets and slices gelatin, sugar, corn syrup, and vanilla. Quick step that makes a big difference. Toast some of the golden grahams at 325 for about 5 to 7 minutes, just until they smell super fragrant. Then let them cool completely. Now we're browning the butter. Keep it moving until it turns golden and smells nutty, about 4 to 6 minutes. This adds that toasted, campfire-like depth. In a bowl, combine the toasted cereal, a little extra crushed cereal for structure, graham crumbs, brown sugar, and salt. Pour in the browned butter and honey, then mix until everything looks evenly coated. Press it in firmly, like really firmly. The tighter the crust, the cleaner your slices later. Pop the pan in the freezer for 10 minutes while we melt chocolate. Do not skip this. Spread a thin layer of melted chocolate right on top. This is the moisture seal that helps keep the crust crunchy, not soggy. For the center, we're making a malted chocolate layer. Pour hot cream over the chocolate and malted milk powder. Wait 2 minutes, then stir until it turns glossy and smooth. Add vanilla. Spread that malted chocolate layer into an even sheet. Then chill it while we make the marshmallow topping. In your mixer bowl, bloom the gelatin in cold water for about 5 minutes. This is what gives you a marshmallow that sets up like a soft pillow, not a sticky mess. On the stove, sugar, corn syrup, water, and a pinch of salt. Boil it to 240 degrees softball stage. No thermometer. Look for thick bubbles and a steady ribbon off a spoon. With the mixer on low, slowly stream the hot syrup into the gelatin. Then crank it up and whip about 8 to 10 minutes until it's fluffy, bright white, and warm. Finish with vanilla bean paste. Spread the marshmallow while it's still warm and workable. Then sprinkle extra golden grahams on top and press them in lightly. Let it set 1 hour at room temp, then chill another 1 to 2 hours. Right before serving, torch the top until it's golden and toasty, just like a real Smore. For clean cuts, use a hot knife, wipe between slices, and press straight down. For the full recipe, extra tips, and troubleshooting, check the link in the first pinned comment or visit nobakedessertslab.com.